Penis Enlargement Remedy is a unique online program that teaches you the revolutionary stem cell secret to increasing your penis size naturally and safely. Despite what society has tricked you into believing, you don't need to take a combination of penis enlargement supplements, try terrible pumps or extenders, or do weird penis exercises to increase your size, nor do you have to resort to blaming and living with bad genetics. You just have to know what to do to take advantage of the stem cell growth that is available to any man, and yes, it is completely natural and safe and can increase your penis size by 2 to 4 inches. So, even if you're rocking 4 inches below the belt, you can increase it to 6 or even 8 inches just by following a simple, natural approach. What is Penis Enlargement Remedy about? Hello, well endowed. Just when you think that going under the knife or putting a weird pump of extender on your penis is the only way to increase your penis size, you stumble across this safe and natural alternative. Penis Enlargement Remedy is an online program that teaches you the exact steps to take to increase your penis size by 2 to 4 inches. But how, you ask? Stem cells are the only cells in the body that can become any type of cell. So, by using this system, you're essentially turning cells into penis tissue cells, which results in natural growth. Everything is carefully explained to you to ensure that you fully understand how this stem cell secret works, but more importantly, how to make it work for you. As such, the program is broken down into several ebooks, with one being the meat of the program, pardon the pun. It involves a 3-phase process which I'll explain further in just a moment. These phases are: Phase 1, the stem cell secret. Phase 2, body exercise. Phase 3, accelerate. The rest of the components that you receive are bonus programs that coincide with the main one. The best part? You receive them at absolutely no extra charge. They are: Bedroom Satisfaction Tips, Infidelity Investigation, How to Become an Alpha Male, No Touch Orgasm System. Oh, but the good news doesn't end there. Everything is available online, so you don't have to worry about someone finding a massive Penis Enlargement Remedy book in your house, briefcase, or backpack. Instead, you simply download the content onto your laptop, desktop, tablet, or smartphone and access it when you need. This also allows you to do so while in public, such as in between your work breaks or while commuting on public transportation to and from work, without everyone around you knowing about your insecurities. You also receive a 60-day money-back guarantee, which is more than enough time to see how this revolutionary stem cell secret works for you. Who is the author of Penis Enlargement Remedy? Tom Kando is the author of Penis Enlargement Remedy. He is highly renowned within the male enlargement industry and is often hailed as the go-to expert due to his ability to help thousands of men achieve their dreams of being bigger below the belt. Quick summary of the Penis Enlargement Remedy program. Penis Enlargement Remedy is a comprehensive guide that not only shows you the stem cell secret that results in 100% natural, safe growth of 2 to 4 inches, but it also takes the time to educate you on the body exercises that can help increase muscle growth and HGH production, and even tips that can accelerate your growth. But before I get into the topics and 3-phase approach, it's worth mentioning that this stem cell secret isn't new by any means. In fact, it's been known and practices for other things for over 10 years, it's only now that its capabilities for penis growth are being revealed to the world. Penis Enlargement Remedy Review, Peak to Best. Now let's get into the good stuff. To give you a better idea of what types of things you learn and the secrets you discover, here is a look at some of the topics covered within the 3-phase process. Phase 1, the stem cell secret. The stem cell theory of renewal. Stem cells in us. Side effects of stem cells. What we use for stem cell release. Phase 2, body exercise. Generate HGH legally. Weight training for optimum HGH production and muscle growth. Phase 3, accelerate. Penis exercises. Acceleration progress. Developing an exercise schedule. Besides size, exercise can help with working it all together. Where to get BGA now? That is just the main program, the Penis Enlargement Remedy. The bonus programs provide you with additional information and tips you can use to enhance your experience dating and in between the sheets. These bonuses are: Bedroom Satisfaction Tips, Infidelity Investigation, How to Become an Alpha Male, No Touch Orgasm System. Super bonus. Put all of that together and you have all types of new things to try out with your new penis growth. So, not only do you get to achieve your goal of being well endowed, but you also have the chance to get your confidence back both in and out of the bedroom. The verdict: it's about time a 100% natural and safe penis enlargement method was revealed, because there's nothing worse than thinking your only option is to go under the knife just to enhance your size. Penis Enlargement Remedy provides you with the better alternative, and for a fraction of the price that it would cost to purchase a weird contraption, to take a prescription or to book a surgery. That's also not to mention that you don't have to deal with all those dangerous side effects either. Plus, you get the 60-day money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose and all to gain, plenty and plenty to gain. Plenty of penis growth and plenty of confidence that follows. So, what are you waiting for? Give the program a try today. In 6 months, you'll be happy you did.